Good day traders, Gakuna Trading. Now, as you all know, we have here a very good market. It's a signal projected from the previous day. Now, if you have the screener and the market shows you a 3-day setup on Friday, kindly mark it up. Kindly mark it up and identify that pair as a potential pair to trade the next day. So identify it, because when the market opens the next day, that information will leave the screener. The screener is a machine. The screener is not there to always wait for you. You have to work as the machine works. If the machine is telling you a 3-day setup has been triggered or 3 days of breakout has been triggered, kindly take a note. Take note of it. Write it down, and then you prepare in advance. Now, the USD US oil has started exploding. Now, I know those of you in the mentorship, you all saw how I did it, how I managed to, apply certain rules to the US oil. Like I said, if you look at the rule book, now this market has closed. Sorry, this is not the zero. This is an inside day. It's a signal day that is also an FGD. Now we want to see higher highs and a pullback. So an FGD, we want to see higher highs. Higher highs have been made. We have a higher high in Asia, breaking out of the previous day's high, which is the high of the inside day. We have a pullback and a engulfment in this London session that will take us to the upside. Now this market will still pull back eventually, but when it pulls back, it's pulling back to gain what? Support and continue in the direction of the FGD. May the markets go with you all as you all address the USD US oil with the rules. Use the rule book. Go to FGD. Look at the rules. Read it. Mark up your chart. Read the rules. Mark up your chart. Use the 1 hour time frame for your analysis, and then use your smaller time frame for execution. Now, congratulations to all of you who took the Euro card with me this morning when I dropped that signal. We got in. You see the market moves sideways. Now, when you look at this chart and read the rules for 3-day setup reversal, you notice, like I said, the market can only stay out of balance in relation to Asia. Are we out of balance in relation to Asia? According to the rules, what else did the rules say about these levels and what has happened in this chart? We are out of balance in relation to Asia. When they go out of balance in relation to Asia, how does price behave in London? We are out of balance in relation to the opening range of the sessions. Breakout, low-hanging fruit, continuation. Market will pull back. Pullback lasts only specific number of bars depending on the time frame. What type of breakout do you have? How many bars on pullbacks? Some charts you may not get a pullback, but on smaller time frame you will get pullback. Pullback lasts 1, 2, 6 bars depending on the time frame. So if I'm on the 45 minute, I have a 1 bar pullback. If I'm on the 1 hour, it's a strong breakout. I may not have any pullback at all. If I'm on the 5 minutes, I may have more than that. So let's count how many pullbacks we have. Now the pullbacks are counted bullish with the bullish candle. So here we have how many pullback? Bullish candle 1, 2, 3. 3 bars. How many bullish candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bullish candles pulling back to the moving average. A low-hanging fruit continuation in the second hour of the London session. Now my signal dropped in the first hour. Those of you who follow me and you've seen this, signal dropped in the second hour. Now, when you look at this chart and you go back to all the lessons and lectures for those of you in the mentorship we've had, and the recurring opportunities that never stop, this market will keep repeating the same things over and over again. How good can we get? How good can we get? That is the question. Look for setups that are easy to execute and focus on them. Now, you all know the Euro JPY. We had a reversal from last week, which we bought and held. And as the market opened, we had an explosion to the upside. CHF JPY too, we had a good explosion. CAD JPY, it happened there also. USD JPY, it happened there also. Congratulations to all of you in the mentorship who held with me, who had the confidence. Like I said, I will not give a signal I do not understand. And for every signal and for every lesson, we have our if-else statements. If this should happen, I should be getting out of this trade. If this should happen, I should be holding this trade. So, based on the ifs and the else, we want to make sure that we understand according to the rules in our playbook. If you go against the rules, you will lose money. I repeat myself, if you go against the rules, you will lose money. Do not trade against the rules. If you are my good student and you follow me, you follow only Gakuna, do not trade against the rules. The only time you can trade against the rules is if a criteria for a particular market is going against the supposed rules. Draw your opening range of Asia. Draw the opening range of Monday. Are we back inside? Are we above? Are we below our session opening range? And then for the bigger picture, are we below the month, the opening range of the month? Are we above the opening range of the month, which is the first week of the month? Are we also below the opening range of the week? The New Zealand card did the same thing with what we saw, or with what we've seen on the USD Euro card. The same criteria have been met in the London session at 3 a.m. Let's take a look at that on the 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the 15 minutes time frame and we draw our Asia box, are we out of balance in relation to Asia, or are we in balance? Look at Asia. Draw the high, draw the low, and draw the high. This is the high of Asia. 8 to 11. Is the high. We have a double top major trend reversal setup. Go to the playbook. You will see this pattern there. You will see this pattern. Are the criteria met? Yes. Criteria are met. This is a potential market. This is a market. If the criteria are not met for reversals in Asia, what are you doing in Asia? If the criteria are met in Asia, you should be trading in Asia. If the criteria, according to the rules, are met in London, you should be doing and taking action in London. If it doesn't happen in London, it may then proceed to happen in the US session. Remember, take your time, guys. Understand this. The market will always keep doing the same thing over and over again. They will keep doing the same thing over and over again. Draw the box. They can only feel at one extreme of the box. First breakout of the opening range. They return to the opposite side. We want to know if the market will stay according to the rules, respecting these rules. Will the markets go with you guys? Like I said, always keep watching these videos. It will help you. Keep in touch with the short videos. I'll be uploading more short videos with what to expect in the market. More technical videos will be coming. Do well to like and share this video. Thank you guys for liking, for watching, and for sharing. May the markets go with you 1% better every single day. Like I said, the mentorship has been discounted. I want so many people to have my system in their hearts. So whenever you go out there and you are being faced with a particular system, you tell them, no, my mentor Gakuna told me this is this. I would not follow what you are saying. I will follow my mentor. When the markets go with you, 1% better every single day. See you guys on the next one. Thank you.